My first three were all failures, and I gave three years, about 3 years, 2 years, and 3 years to each of my startup. And they were good startup. I'll name them My Open Campus, My Open Courses. जे physics वाला वगैरे आता करतात ते मी 2000 साली करत होतो. It was, much earlier than its time. We wanted to automate courses and campuses. We created software, but it just did not work for some or the other reason. I was in debt when I started this YouTube channel. I was actually in big debt. I had to sell my house. That is bad, how bad it was. And I could not give a 5,000 rupee salary to my editor when I started, literally. आणि मी जे ऑफिस सुद्धा घेतलं स्टुडिओ, ते माझ्याच ऑफिसमधल्या एकाने सांगितलं की अरे माझ्याकडं 1000 स्क्वेअर फीटचं आहे, पण मला एवढं मोठं नको आहे. मग मी म्हटलं की ठीक आहे, मला 200-250 स्क्वेअर फीट दे. त्याच्यामधनं मी चालू केलं होतं. पण त्याच्या आधीपर्यंत, सो माय पॉईंट इज, ड्युरिंग दोज 8-9 years जरी मी भरपूर फेलियर्सच्या समोर गेलो, मला एक there was always this thing that yes, I am going to do it, and I am going to do it at least once. I know it. So that patience was there. Even though, it's very difficult at this point of time, even when I think about it, the journey that happened, आणि मी विचार केला की अरे नाही, मी मग त्यावेळेला विचार केला असता, नाही मी परत US ला जातो किंवा मी नोकरी करायला लागतो, IT मध्ये जातो, तर काय झालं असतं. I wouldn't have been here. So just keep at it. It will happen.